welcome back to As She Toys. So today I'm so excited because I'm here at my apiary and I cannot wait because we're going to be harvesting some honey. We have done a whole lot of splits, so we now have 19 hives. That's crazy. If you don't know what a split is, it's basically when a hive is really full and so they raise a new queen and the old queen leaves with half the hive. But as beekeepers, we don't want to lose half our bees in a hive. So what we do is we split it right before they're about to swarm and make it into a whole other hive. And that's why we have so many more hives now. So let's get into it. So currently I'm opening this hive up and we are taking a look at our first honey supers. So I'm just going to work my way around this and open it up because they pretty much pry this down. And holy cow, that's a lot of bees. Now I'm going to get my hood on and keep going. Okay guys, we have an insane amount of honey, and when we were taking this out, we accidentally cut it because it's so packed, it literally would barely even slide out. So this is filled to the brim with honey. This is literally insane. I only have 3 more supers on this hive, so gosh, we got our work cut out for us. To get the bees to get out of the honey super, we have this almond smelling scent. It isn't actually made with real almonds. So if anyone's allergic to almonds, you're fine. But basically we spray it on this board and then cover the hive, and so they kind of get out. So you go joop, joop, joop. Then you put on the lid and just wait for a few minutes and then open it back up. If you remember how many bees used to be in this honey super before we put this lid on, this is what happened after we took this off about 3 minutes later. So look how cool this is. There's barely any left. So this is perfect for harvesting honey. And also, if you're wondering how we got such cool hives, basically me and my Girl Scout troop painted some of these hives. So I did this one right here, and then the other ones, that splatter one over there, were some of my other friends. So yeah, it's super cool. Okay, so this bee is trying to suck nectar from this because it thinks it looks like a flower. So I think my Girl Scout troop did a little too good of a job. Okay, but seriously, look at all this. So much honey. This is I've never seen so much honey in my life. I mean, this is so unusual. Oh my gosh, wow, they made a lot of honey. Well, we have lots to harvest. I don't even know how we're going to harvest this. Okay guys, so here's a really great example of a split we did. Here we have some sugar water just to help them get started while they're trying to find honey so they don't starve to death, because that would be horrible. But we have these things called nukes, and they basically only have 5 frames in them, and a normal hive has 10. So they aren't trying to fill up too much room than they can possibly manage. So this is what they look like. So as you can see, it's a lot less crowded than the normal hive. And once they get to be more busy, we'll just convert them all into a bigger hive. So basically kind of like an upgrade. So yeah, this is what they have so far, and this is a great example. And I will come and I will show you guys what one of these frames look like. So hold on. You can see some brood, and you can just see what a basic hive would look like. So they are doing great. So yeah, and when they have brood, that means they have a queen, so that is a great sign. And yeah, this is definitely a great nuke, and I'm glad we split it in time. Okay guys, we're gonna keep harvesting honey, but I'm gonna say goodbye now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope I see you very, very soon.